वाला, अखियों में ऐसा डाला गजरा मोहब्बत वाला, अखियों में ऐसा डाला गजरे ने ले ली मेरी जान। हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान।
बैक टू माई चैनल, मेरा नाम है आकांक्षा एंड आज मैं एक मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल कर रही हूँ ऑन दिस इंडियन एथनिक वेयर लुक। एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू सी स्टेप बाय स्टेप हाउ आई क्रिएटेड दिस, then please do watch my video till the end. And this is a very subtle summer makeup look that I have created using very minimum number of products, because I myself don't use much products because I have very oily and sensitive skin. So if you have to go in any function where you have to do very light makeup, or in office, there is any kind of function where you're wearing ethnic dress and you want to have a very pretty look, then please do watch my video. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, जो सबसे पहले हमारे 3 मेन स्टेप्स होते हैं बिफोर डूइंग मेकअप, दैट इज क्लेंजिंग, टोनिंग एंड मॉइस्चराइजिंग। वो मैंने ऑलरेडी अपने फेस पे कर लिया है, तो मैं स्टार्ट करूंगी डायरेक्टली विद आवर सनस्क्रीन स्टेप। सो मैं यहाँ यूज कर रही हूँ लोटस हर्बल्स की SPF 40 में सनस्क्रीन। सनस्क्रीन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट गाइस, बिकॉज
मेकअप स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आप बाहर किसी भी फंक्शन वगैरह में जा रहे हैं एंड यू स्टार्ट योर मेकअप विद सनस्क्रीन, देन इट प्रोटेक्ट्स योर स्किन फ्रॉम ऑल दी हार्मफुल रेडिएशंस एज वेल एज आपका मेकअप काफी अच्छा टिका रहता है। आई यूज दिस बिकॉज मेरी ऑयली स्किन है, तो ये मैट फिनिश में है एंड ये काफी अच्छे से एब्जॉर्ब हो जाती है मेरी स्किन पे।
नेक्स्ट आई एम यूजिंग लैक्मे का ब्लर परफेक्ट प्राइमर। इट्स अ वेरी गुड प्राइमर। इस प्राइमर यूज करने का ये फायदा है कि आपका मेकअप काफी अच्छे से ब्लेंड होता है फेस पे एंड काफी टाइम तक लॉन्ग ड्यूरेशन में टिका रहता है। सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग मेकअप, सनस्क्रीन एंड प्राइमर ये दोनों मैं यूज करती हूँ। So next step is to use the foundation. So here I am using Maybelline Fit Me का It's Natural Buff 230 शेड है एंड इट सूट्स ऑन माई स्किन। आप देख लो कि मैं इतना सा ही ले रही हूँ एंड आई थिंक इट्स इनफ फॉर टू कवर द होल। जस्ट लाइक यू हैव टू टेक इट एंड डैब इट अंडर योर आई एरिया फर्स्ट। एंड मैं यहाँ कंसीलर नहीं यूज़ कर रही हूँ इन दिस लुक, बिकॉज दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी लाइट मेकअप लुक फॉर यू कैन कैरी इन योर लाइट फंक्शंस। बट अगर आपको डार्क स्पॉट्स ज़्यादा हैं आपके फेस पे एंड यू फील लाइक कि बिना कंसीलर के इट वोंट वर्क, सो यू कैन यूज अ कंसीलर एज वेल। जस्ट dab it all over your face evenly. Also please don't forget your neck, because then you're gonna look really bad. आपके नेक और फेस का कलर अलग दिखेगा एंड इट वोंट रियली लुक गुड।
मैंने पूरे फेस को और नेक को अच्छे से कवर कर लिया है सो दैट जो लुक है वो पूरा फिनिश आए।
अब फाउंडेशन को अच्छे से सेटल डाउन करने के लिए आई एम यूजिंग हेयर Maybelline। Very important that after using the foundation you use the loose powder, whatever kind of powder that you use. Just lock your foundation so that it doesn't give you a very cakey look. So now my base is done, and now for the eyebrows I am using this Color Bar pencil. It's in the shade 01H8. So basically I got a tip from someone
from Color Bar itself when I was shopping it. So she told me that okay, never buy a pencil in black shade. Okay, so it's in brown shade. Why? Because it makes your face look really old as compared to your age if you use black colored pencil. So I don't know what's the logic, what was the logic behind it, but okay, she told me. So I bought this brown one and I've been using it and it's kind of good.
Next I'm using this eyeshadow palette for my eye makeup, and I'm using this shade and this shade, a mixture, because I'm creating, you know, a very subtle makeup look. And I'll just take it and dab it on my eyes because it's kind of a bit glittery as well, and it's gonna cover your eye.
Just cover your eyelid section nicely with your crease as well.
Don't use it very much because it's summertime and I am creating a look which you can, you know, carry the whole day and it doesn't wash out. So try to use as minimum as you can. As I'm showing you here, I'm just dabbing it with my fingers, and as you can see that my color that I wanted to create has come. So yeah, this is it for my eyeshadow. Next I'm gonna use this liner that I got it from Nykaa, and I'm gonna create a winged eyeliner look. So I guess our liner is done. Next I'm gonna use this Lakme Iconic Kajal that I'm sure we all use for my lower eyelids. And what I'm gonna do is that I'm not gonna cover my whole lower eyelid, just the half, like this. I'm gonna use this Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara to curl my lashes and give my eyes, you know, a very well defined look. You can use fake lashes as well, lash extensions if you want to.
But here I'm just creating a very light makeup look, so I thought of curling my own lashes. And after covering the upper eyelashes, you have to cover your below ones and make sure you don't spill it, because then your whole eyes are gonna look very black like that. So I guess it's done. I have redefined my eyelashes.
Here Maybelline New York Master Blush Palette, and I'm using this shade and a mixture of this shade to create my blush. And ta-da! Your blush is done. Next for lipsticks, I'm gonna merge two lipsticks. That is, one is Lakme 925 and one I got it from Nykaa, and I'll mention the shade numbers and the details in the description. I just love this shade that Lakme has introduced from Lakme 925 range. I just love this shade. It's not completely matte, it's not completely glossy, and it really gives a very nice look. And the next shade is in red. So next I'm using this highlighter from the same Maybelline palette to highlight my
Cheekbones and my nose area. Nose tip is very important to highlight, guys. Also you can do it.
putting a small bindi with my kajal. You can use any colored bindi as well if you are wearing, you know, a particular colored dress and you want to match it up. As you can see that our look is almost complete. Just one more thing is left to complete this look. I'm using here this nose pen to complete my look. So I don't have any nose piercing. For all those girls who don't have any nose piercing and they wish to use nose pens, so you can use these detachable nose pens. And ta-da! We are done. If you like this summer makeup look for any small functions, then do please like, share and subscribe my channel. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, be safe, keep glowing. Bye bye.